Here we have a Mercedes A-Class, it's a 2022 model. This car belongs to Liam, and this is the second car we worked on for him, so he's become a bit of a regular customer of ours. And what we've done on this car in particular, we've done a Pandora Storm, which is a Category 2 Thatcher improved immobiliser. So it's an aftermarket immobiliser, which will prevent that car from being stolen to begin with. And also he's asked for a CarPlay system. So we fitted an integrated CarPlay, which basically works wireless, so it gives you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wirelessly. We don't change the screen or the controls, all remains the same. It's just an added function that now is added to his system. And it just works seamlessly with that. So let me show you the actual immobiliser side of it. So this is where without the unique Pandora Tag, you can't actually start the vehicle up, so you can't drive it. So if I try to start it, won't start at all, but nothing at all. So switch it off, and what do I go and get the tag? Now I've got the tag, this is the tag. So with this tag, all you have to do is have it in proximity, you don't have to actually do anything with it. So as long as you've got it with you, jump in, and as you can see, I haven't done anything else, just got the tag there. So as simple as that. That in proximity, you can start the vehicle. Without that, you can't start it. Right, so let me talk about the CarPlay now. So probably best thing to do, if you jump into the passenger seat. Right, if you jump in there. Right, if you have, this is the factory screen. As you can see, there's nothing being added to it additionally. So just turn the ignition on. So you've got the factory entertainment system, and what we do with this car in particular is the phone that's hands off, hold on to that, and then it'll flick into CarPlay. And what it's doing now is just linking up to the phone via Bluetooth as well. So keep an eye on that screen. So you've got the entire screen there as your CarPlay. This particular car is touchscreen, so basically going to maps, got maps there. You could basically click on that to see what you're listening to as well as maps. Go into there, and then you've got all the apps that's compatible with, or should I say licensed with, CarPlay or Android Auto. So here we have a Mercedes A-Class, which is a 2022 model. And we did a Pandora Storm as well as a integrated CarPlay system.